Overview: the well-respected current production A3 sedan will soon be replaced by an all-new 2022 model. The company is skipping over the 2021 model year. From what we can tell so far, the new A3 going to be a significant improvement over an already delightful and upscale sedan. German rivals such as the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe and the Mercedes-Benz A-Class are fueling consumers' appetites for small, premium sedans, so it's no wonder Audi is doubling down on its compact car and giving it a richer interior, advanced technology, and razor-sharp looks. A turbocharged four-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive, and a host of driver assistance features are sure to make the A3 a desirable choice. We expect the A3 to launch in North America by the end of 2021 as a 2022 model. What's new for 2022? Audi's entry-level car is all new for 2022 and features sharper styling and modernized interior tech. The A3 will be sold exclusively in sedan form in North America, while the hatchback Sportback model will be sold in Europe and other global markets. Pricing and which one to buy: the A3 will be offered in Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trims like that of other Audis currently on sale. Audi hasn't released a full list of the A3's standard and optional features, but we expect the mid-range Premium Plus model to offer the best mix of features and price. Engine, transmission, and performance: even though European models offer a variety of powertrains, the A3 that's earmarked for North America is powered by a 201 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder and is available with either front or all-wheel drive. A 7-speed automatic transmission is also likely to be standard fare. Audi has mentioned a plug-in hybrid model, probably sporting the e-tron name, may be made available later on. We haven't test-driven the new A3, but we expect civilized road manners, crisp handling, and satisfying acceleration. Fuel economy and real-world MPG: the EPA has not released any information about the 2021 A3's fuel efficiency estimates, but in order to compete with its arch-rivals, the A-Class sedan and the 2 Series Grand Coupe, it'll need to stretch fuel consumption as high as 35 mpg on the highway. When we get the chance to put the new A3 through our 200-mile highway fuel economy test route, we'll update this story with results. For more information about the A3's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo: inside the 2021 A3, Audi's designers have taken the more staid styling of the larger A4 sedan and dialed in more personality. Two large air vents that flank the car's gauge display, and a stitched panel lines the top of the dashboard. The front seats shown in photos are likely optional sport seats, but they look to feature faux suede upholstery and quilted seating surfaces. Small car cargo space isn't usually particularly generous, but we're expecting the A3's trunk to provide enough space for an average grocery store haul or a weekend's worth of luggage for road tripping. Infotainment and connectivity: the A3 will feature either a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen or a larger, optional 12.3-inch unit. Mercifully, the A3 forgoes the brand's new dual-screen setup that makes climate controls and vehicle driving mode switches a digital affair. Instead, those secondary controls are handled here by good old-fashioned buttons. Audi's digital virtual cockpit gauge display will also be standard. This reconfigurable screen is a popular feature across the rest of the Audi lineup and can display a large map in the center of the instrument cluster as well as other vehicle information, along with standard gauges for speed and RPM. Safety and driver assistance features: driver assistance technology is featured heavily on the new A3, with basics such as automated emergency braking being standard and more advanced tech coming with option packages. For more information about the A3's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Audi's standard warranty package is nothing special, and both its limited and powertrain warranties match those offered by BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Rivals such as the Cadillac CT4 will offer more value here with longer powertrain coverage. The BMW 2 Series offers 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.